Okay. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
We are fine, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Are you feeling sleepy today?
No.
No. All of you, please stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Again, stand up. Sit down. Okay, now. Okay. Now, please mute your mic. All of you, please mute your mic. Agnes Jojo. Okay, now. So we can start with prayer. Okay. Close your eyes. Oh Lord, we give you thanks for this beautiful day. Be with us. Help us to learn. Help us to earn knowledge. Bless our parents, teachers, and all friends. We ask your blessings. Amen. Okay. Now, open your eyes. Okay, now. So, last class, we talked about the shapes. Are you remembering? Krishna Priya MS? Are you remembering?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, others, please mute. If you are muting, then all can listen properly. Okay. When I will say your name, then only you unmute. Otherwise, lots of disturbance will come, so you cannot hear properly. Okay. Smriti Kirti, please mute. Okay, now. So last class we talked about the shapes. Okay. Now, Agnatius, unmute. Agnatius, please unmute. Okay. Name some shapes. Name some basic shapes. Agnay, am I audible to you? Please say name of some shapes.
Square,
Very good. Square,
rectangle,
rectangle,
circle.
circle. Okay. See, when I am calling your name, that time only you unmute. Otherwise, you mute. Okay. Otherwise, lots of disturbance will come. You cannot hear my voice properly. Okay. Now, Abhinav, please unmute. Abhinav MP, please unmute. Name one object having the shape of a circle. Name one object having the shape of a circle.
Water bottle.
Very good. Water bottle is a base only circle. Okay. What about the coin? Coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Is it a circle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's circle. Okay. So we know the basic shapes. Okay. Rectangle, square. These are the basic shapes. Now we discussed about outline of base of an object. So you got two new words. Yes. One is outline. Okay. OUTLINE. Outline. Okay. Please mute. Please mute all of you. Okay. So we are discussing now outline and base. Now we said circle has a shape, coin has a shape of circle. Okay. So what's the outline of coin? What is the outline of coin? Agnes Jojo, what is the outline of a coin, 5 rupee coin? Agnes Jojo, please unmute and say. Agnes Jojo, please unmute and say what is the outline of 5 rupee coin?
Circle.
Very good, circle. Very good. Okay. Now, so what's the meaning of outline? Shape. The meaning of outline is shape. Now next we come the point base. B-A-S-E. Base. Okay. Now who are new students here? Just raise your hand. Is there any new student? New student is here? Okay, okay. Now let me say my name, okay? Sometimes you may be known. I am Mini and I will be teaching mathematics, okay? I am Mini, I will be teaching mathematics, okay? Now we can come to the concept, okay? So we talk about the base, B-A-S-E, base. So last class we talk about base, okay? Now what is on my hand? What is this? Agnitius, what is this? It's a Agnitius. Please unmute.
Glass.
It's a glass. Okay. Daniel Jindo, please unmute. Daniel Jindo, please unmute. Daniel, please unmute. Am I audible to Daniel? Okay,
Yes.
okay. See, I have one glass on my palm. Okay, so this is a top portion and this is the bottom portion. Okay, so base means bottom part of an object. Bottom part of an object. Okay, now here what is the outline of the bottom? Daniel, what is the outline of this glass?
Circle.
Circle. The base, the outline of the base is circle. The outline of base is circle.
Circle.
Very good, very good. Okay. Now, Adel Maria, please unmute. Adel Maria, please unmute. Can you see what is on my hand? Can you see?
This.
What is this? We are using in battery.
Battery.
We are using in torch. Sorry, we are using in torch. It's a battery. Now I am keeping on my palm. So there is a top portion and there is a bottom portion. Okay. So this bottom portion, what is the outline? What's the shape? Circle. What's the shape?
Circle.
Okay, circle. Now, please mute. Okay. Now, Anaya Aral, please unmute. Anaya. Now, can you see this? Can you see this object? Anaya, can you see this object? Am I audible to you, Anaya? Anaya Aral, can you see this object?
Ma'am.
Okay, some connection issues are there. Now, see, Adinath P. Sunil, please unmute. Adinath P. Sunil, please unmute. Adinath. Adinath, am I audible to you? Adinath. Okay. Now, what about Anna? Anna, please unmute. Anna. Anna, can you see the object?
Cap.
It's
Can,
a cat.
it's a birthday cap. Okay, it's a birthday cap, and this birthday cap have one top part and a bottom part. Okay, this is the top and this is the bottom. Okay, so this is known as the base. Bottom part of an object is known as base. Okay, now what is the outline of the base? Shape of base? Circle. Very good. Circle. Very good. Okay, please mute. Okay, now all of you listen here. I showed you three objects. Okay, three objects. One is a glass. Okay, one is a glass. Then it is a battery. Okay, now another one is a cap. Okay, all these three objects have what is the base? Circle. All these three objects have base circle. Got it? Got it, all of you? Okay. Anaya, are you here?
Yes.
Are you here? Anaya, please. I can't hear you, Anaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say louder. Say louder. Okay. I cannot hear you. That's why. Now, what is on my hand, Anaya? Book. Okay, book. Okay, book. So I'm keeping on my palm, and you can see one top portion here and a bottom portion here. Okay. Now, what is the shape of bottom part? What is the shape of bottom part?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. This book has rectangle shape base. Rectangle shape base. Okay. Now, can you see this instrument? Malavika? Malavika?
Yes.
Can you see this box? Instrument box? Malavika?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Just I am keeping on my palm. You can see one top portion and a bottom portion. Okay. Now, what is the outline of the box? Outline of the base of the box?
Rectangle.
Say louder.
Rectangle.
What is the outline of the base? Say louder.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Rectangle. Now, please unmute. Okay. Please mute your mic. Okay. Now, can you see this box? Agnes Jojo? Agnes Jojo? Am I audible to you? Can you see this empty box?
Yes, ma'am.
Agnes Jojo? Can you see this empty box?
Yes, ma'am.
Agnes, please say louder.
Ma'am.
Agnes,
Yes, ma'am.
say louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Say louder, say louder. Okay, I cannot hear you, that's why. Okay, so I'm keeping on my palm. So this here is the top portion and here is the bottom part. Okay, now what is the outline of the bottom part?
Fire.
See, look at properly. Which shape? Which shape? Say louder.
Fire.
See once more. See once more. See, all the sides are equal here. See. See once more.
Rectangle.
Look at carefully. Look at carefully. Okay. This is a rectangle shape base. Okay. This box having a rectangle shape base. Okay. Now please mute your mic. Okay. Now I show you three objects. All of you listen here. I show you three objects. Okay. One is a book. Another is an instrument box. And one empty box. Okay. All these three objects have base. What? Which shape? Which shape? Rectangle. Okay. All these three objects have base as rectangle. Okay. Okay. Now let me show you another object. Okay. Adel Maria. Adel Maria. please unmute. Adel Maria. Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see this object in my hand?
Yes.
What is this?
Dice.
Dice. Okay. This is a dice. I'm keeping on my palm. So you can see one top part and we say bottom part. Okay. Now, what is the outline of the bottom part?
Shape.
What is the outline of bottom part?
Square.
Square. Very good. Square. Okay. Please mute. Okay. Now, Adinath P. Sunil. Adinath P. Sunil. Am I audible to you? Say louder. Okay. Now, can you see this object which is in my hand? Okay. What is this?
Yes.
What is this? What is this? Adinath P. Sunil. Adinath. It's a cube-like structure. Okay. Its name is Rubik's Cube. Okay. Rubik's Cube. Okay. Now I am keeping on my palm. So we can see one top portion and a bottom part. Okay. Bottom part. So what is the outline of the bottom part? What is the outline of the bottom part?
Square.
Square. Very good. It is square. So now please mute yourself. Okay. And all of you please listen here. Krishna Priya and Sudha Kirtana, please mute. Okay. Now you can see two objects in my hand. Okay. One is a dice and another is a Rubik's Cube. These two having the base outline. What is that? Square. Okay. You got it?
Square.
Okay. Now let me share the screen. Okay. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, please take your notebook which you have. Okay. Sometimes you may have rough book with you. Yes. So please take that. Okay. And one pencil also. Now look at the screen. Okay, all of you took notebook. Can you see the screen? Anna, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Please mute. Please mute. And take your notebook. Can you see the screen? Now, just you write. Okay. Now all of you mute and write. Okay, what is on the screen? You can see chapter 1. C H A P T E R. Chapter 1. Please write in your notebook. Okay. C H. You take time, no problem. You take time. Okay. C H
A P T.
Please mute and try to write. C H A
T
P T E R. Chapter 1 finish. That word finish. Anna, that word finish chapter 1. Finish. Okay, we can go to the next line. Next word. Okay, below that is the chapter's name. Okay, shapes. Shapes. What is spelling? S. Right, right. S. H. A. P. E. S. Got it? That word spelling you got it? Shapes. Okay. Adel, please unmute. Adel, please unmute.
T.
Shapes, that word you finish? Okay. Dhruva, your word shapes finish?
Yes.
Very good. So just we can go to the next one. Okay. Outline of base of an object. So take time and write slowly. Okay. Outline. I will say the spelling. O. Right. O. U.
Small letter ഇത്. Small letter കൂട്ടി ഇത്. O U.
Take time and write. No problem. Take time and write. O. U. T. O. U. T. L.
L.
I.
L.
N.
I.
N. E.
Oh yes.
Line. Tirtha, that word finish. Outline. Tirtha, outline that word finish.
Yes.
Yes, very good. After that, off. O F. Off.
O.
O F. Off.
F.
Next word, base. Spelling B A S
B.
E.
B A.
B A S E. Base.
S.
Agnay. Agnay. Are you writing?
O ഇത്. O yeah.
Okay. So after base, there is off. O F. Off. O F. Off. Then outline of base finish. Off.
Yes.
An. A N. An. A N. An. Ivania, you completed? Ivania. Okay, outline of base of an object. O B J E C T.
P. T.
Next, what I am underlining, only that you write. Okay, what I am underlining, that only you write. Okay. Next is a word outline. Okay. Only you write underline word. Outline. What's the meaning? Shape. Only that much. Outline. What's the meaning? Shape. Right. Outline. O U T
O. U. Team.
L
L
I
I
N
N.
E. Outline. That word finish. What's the meaning?
O
Shape.
Shape. S H
H
A P E. Only that much. Okay, only that much.
P N P P N.
Henry Baiju, are you writing? Henry, please unmute. Henry, are you writing?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. You completed up to shape. Outline means shape. That much you completed?
H.
S S H A P E. Okay. Shape.
Okay,
I think we can go to the next slide. What I am underlining, only that much you write. Okay. No need to write full.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am.
The next word is base. Okay. Next word is base. So only you write base. B-A-S-E. Base. What's the meaning?
B
Bottom part.
B
Bottom. Bottom part.
A S
Bottom part.
E base.
Ah. Then what's the meaning? Bottom part.
E base.
B-O-G-G part. A-R-T. John Judy. John Judy. Please unmute. Can you show me the notebook? Just show me the notebook.
Bottom part. P-A-R-T.
No problem. You just show me. No problem. Just I want to see. That's all. Okay, okay, okay. Right, right. Right, right. Please mute. Okay. Aisha. Aisha. Please unmute. You completed up to bottom part. You completed up to bottom part. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Let me go to next portion, means next slide. Okay. So you can see one object. Okay. See, you write object. O-B-J-E-C-T. Object. See, O-B-J-E-C-T. Object. Now leave some space. Then you write the next side. This word. Okay. Outline of base. Now, which object you can see on the board? Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah, you can see one book. Yes. So you just write
പുസ്തകത്തിന്റെ ഷേപ്പ് എന്താ സർക്കിളാണോ
just write
ഈ പുസ്തകം ട്രയാങ്കിളിന് ഈ പുസ്തകത്തിന്റെ ഷേപ്പ് എന്നിട്ടാ
okay. Now, what is the outline of the base? What is the outline of the base? Krishnapriya, what is the outline of the base of book?
Square.
Book.
Rectangle.
Ah, rectangle. Can you see the rectangle on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, John, Judy, are you writing? Ivania, can you see the board? Ivania, can you see the board? What's the next object? Say. It's a cap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cap.
Now, what is the outline of the base? What is the outline of the base?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Just write the word cap and draw the circle. Now next slide. Okay. See what is on the board. You can see one dice image. Okay. Dice. D-I-C-E. Dice. Now, what is the base? What is the outline of base?
Dice.
What is the outline of the base?
Dice. Circle.
Base. Outline of the base of a dice. Ah, yes. John.
Square.
Square. Okay. Square. Now, Dhruva, what's the next object?
Glass.
Ah, glass. So just you write glass. Okay. What is the outline of the base? What is the outline of the base?
Circle.
Ah, circle. Can you see circle on the board?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now I think you all understood. Now it's
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Bye.